Hello everyone, I'm Tong, and this is the presentation of my conventional proposal. The title of my speech will be Putting the Puzzle Together, Combining Fundamental Strategies to Boost Reading Comprehension. From my point of view, that finding effective reading strategies can be like putting the pieces of a puzzle together. My presentation will highlight the need for essential skills that support reading comprehension instruction in current trends and provides a combination use of teaching strategies. I thought new teachers who search for the combination of using fundamental teaching strategies and middle grade teachers who are interested in the transition teaching period between the text decoding skills and verbal reasoning skills, and they will benefit from my presentation. And I plan to bring my presentation in an interactive learning session. I will use the reading equation, reading equals to print processing plus comprehension, as the hook to ask attendants to dive into the topic. And this equation is brought by Daryl Morris, who has mentioned this in his publication Diagnosis and the Correction of Reading Problems. Before I launch my speech, I will ask two questions. What are the essential skills that readers should be mastered before reading? And what teaching strategies have you applied in the reading instructions? The attendant can keep these questions in mind and compared with what I will introduce in my speech during the session. My objective is to stress the importance of the combined using of strategies and to give proper examples of what are the combinations and how those combinations can be used in your instruction. And I'm really appreciative that we had this revising activity, that I received very practical and useful comments from my peer and professor. From peer comments, I know that I need to point out the objectives that this point I missed out before, and I need to add on more detailed informations, and I need to clarify my statements and reorganize the language I used. And the professor gave me the advice of how to revise the title and make it more engaging. And later on, I do the researches to enrich the content and read before I plan to send out the proposal, I read the proposal guidelines of the intended conference and adjust the forms of my proposal. And this is a conference that I submitted to the International Literacy Association. Their annual forum, I thought their annual forum is an ideal place for literacy professionals to share their knowledge, research, and best practice. And we can network with colleagues across the globe. That's very important. And also, I noticed that there is an open session which will allow various formats of presenting and discussing. So I chose this place to submit my proposal. And now I live in Los Angeles, although this conference held in Columbus, a little bit really far from where I lived. But at that time, I thought I haven't visited that place before. Why not? I attend the conference as well as make a tour there. So this is the first conference which I want to attend. On November 18th, I sent my proposal, and here is the confirmation letter. Here are two tips that I want to share with my fellows. The first one is you have to choose a stunning title stand out from thousands of proposals. And you really need to prepare the hook to catch attention of the audience before you launch your speech. And this is pretty much of my sharings of the conventional proposal. Thank you for watching.